Think of a Coke. You can probably picture it instantly. The iconic contoured glass, the vibrant red label, the promise of refreshing fizz. It's a symbol enjoyed in almost every corner of the world. But have you ever stopped to think about what it takes to get that bottle of Coke into your hand? Behind the familiar brand lies a complex and fascinating world of industrial production, operating at an astonishing scale. Every single day, millions of bottles are manufactured, filled, and packaged, each one a testament to a carefully orchestrated process. Join us now as we venture inside the Coca-Cola factory, pulling back the curtain to reveal the secrets behind this global beverage giant. The journey of a Coca-Cola bottle begins far from the factory floor with a surprisingly humble ingredient: sand. This abundant natural resource, rich in silica, forms the backbone of the glass used to create each bottle. The sand is combined with other key ingredients, including soda ash for clarity and limestone for durability. This mixture is then subjected to intense heat, melting into a molten liquid that glows with an otherworldly orange hue. It's a dramatic transformation, raw materials giving way to the building blocks of a billion beverages. The molten glass, now a fiery, viscous liquid, is ready for its transformation into the iconic Coca-Cola bottle. It flows through precisely engineered channels within the factory, a river of potential taking shape. Then, in a carefully choreographed dance of heat and pressure, the liquid glass is injected into molds. These molds, designed to create the signature curves and contours of the bottle, are crafted with meticulous detail. A burst of compressed air ensures every crevice is filled, capturing the precise form that makes a Coke bottle instantly recognizable. While the bottles cool, another process is underway: the creation of the beverage itself. In massive stainless steel tanks, the magic happens. Filtered water, sourced locally, is combined with sugar, creating a syrup base. Then comes the secret ingredient: the Coca-Cola concentrate. This closely guarded formula, a blend of natural flavors and spices, gives Coke its unique and unmistakable taste. The syrup is then mixed with carbonated water, creating the signature fizz that tickles the nose and tantalizes the taste buds. Sealing it. Freshness. Capping and beyond. Now, the cooled and pristine bottles meet their effervescent destiny. On a high-speed conveyor belt, a carefully calibrated filling system dispenses the precise amount of Coca-Cola into each bottle. The air above the beverage is removed, replaced with a small amount of pressurized carbon dioxide. This ensures that first, satisfying hiss when you crack open a Coke and helps preserve its flavor. Then, in a flash of metal and motion, the bottles are capped. This seemingly simple step is crucial, creating an airtight seal that locks in freshness and prevents contamination. Dressed for success. The art of labeling. No Coca-Cola bottle is complete without its signature label. This iconic design, with its distinctive red background and flowing white script, is instantly recognizable around the globe. High-speed labeling machines wrap each bottle with precision, ensuring that the label is perfectly aligned and securely attached. The label isn't just about branding. It contains important information for consumers, including ingredients, nutritional facts, and best buy dates. Guardians of quality. Ensuring excellence in every bottle. Throughout the entire production process, from molten sand to labeled bottle, quality control is paramount. At every stage, sophisticated sensors and eagle-eyed inspectors scrutinize every detail. The weight and thickness of the glass are meticulously checked, ensuring consistency and durability. The beverage itself undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets the highest standards for flavor, color, and carbonation. Any bottle that doesn't meet these exacting standards is quickly removed from the production line. A legacy in every sip. From factory floor to your hand. The next time you raise a bottle of Coca-Cola to your lips, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there. From the fiery heart of the glass furnace to the precise choreography of the bottling line. Each step plays a crucial role in delivering a product that has quenched thirsts and delighted taste buds for generations. It's a testament to the power of industrial ingenuity, the delicate balance of art and science, and the enduring allure of a simple yet iconic beverage. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufactour straight to your feed.